Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn properties of integers. So let's get started. First, let's see what are integers. Integers are the numbers which can be positive, negative or zero but cannot be a fraction or decimal. This is how they look in a number line. So these all are integers. Integers consists of positive values, negative values and a zero. So here we have natural numbers which consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and whole numbers which consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so on, and also 0. But integers consists of -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on with 0, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So basically consists these all numbers in infinity. Integers are used in following examples. For example, you live in a cold place like Norway. There the temperature in winters is very low, so we calculate that temperature in negative degrees. So for example, you dive deep into the water, you say that I dived -100 meters underwater. Now let's see different properties of integers. Closure property under addition and subtraction states that the sum or difference of any two integers will always be an integer. So for example, let's take if x and y are any two integers, x plus y and x minus y will also be an integer. For example, we have 4 minus 3. So 4 is an integer and 3 is also an integer. And when we subtract those both, we get the answer as 1, which is also an integer. So if we had 4 plus 3, that would also be equal to an integer, which is 7. Yeah, here it's written 4 is equal to 3, but that actually was a mistake. So just take it as 4 plus 3. The results are integers. Second property, associative property. The associative property is a math rule that says that the way in which factors are grouped in multiplication problems does not change the product. Let's take x, y and z to be any three integers. Then x plus y plus z would be equal to x plus y plus z, or x into y into z would be equal to x into y into z. Yeah, it basically means that these brackets doesn't do anything. So this is an example of that. We just go through it. Third property, commutative property. Commutative property. The commutative property means changing the order or position of numbers while adding or multiplying them does not change the end result. So if we have x and y to be in two integers, then x plus y would be equal to y plus x, and x into y would be also equal to y into x. So changing its order does not change the answer. That's the main thing. For example, we have 4. So if we do 4 plus minus 6, it would be also equal to minus 2. It would be equal to minus 4 plus 4. Yeah, this is the main answer of this. So you just ignore that. Fourth property, distributive property. According to the distributive property, multiplying the sum of two or more addends by a number will give the same result as multiplying each addend individually by the number and then adding the products together. This can be represented for any integers x, y and z, for example. So x into bracket y plus z would be equal to x into y plus x into z. And same if there is a minus sign instead. So maybe you are confused, how is that possible? It should be like x, you thought that would be x into y. Oh, that's a riddle. It's not clean handwriting, let me just redraw it. Yeah, so you may be thinking that this can be simplified into x into y plus z if you just remove the brackets, it but it actually simplifies like this. So this is how we actually multiply x into y and then x into z. That's how we originally multiply. So this is how it could be simplified. For example, minus 5 bracket 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 15. So that is the answer. And which is also equal to minus 5 into 2 plus minus 5 into 1. So we are just multiplying it like that, like this. Minus 5 into 2 and then minus 5 into 1. The identity property of 1 says that any number multiplied by 1 keeps its identity. In other words, any number multiplied by 1 stays the same. The reason the number stays the same is because multiplying by 1 means that we have just copied that. For any integer x into 1 would be equal to x, should also be equal to 1 into x, so that's the same thing. So those were the different properties of integers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video.